Number 5. Magic Chef Energy. 6 place settings, 6 programs. Electronic controls with digital display, detergent, and rinse aid dispenser. Up to 24H delay start, easy clean removable filter. Stainless steel interior, residual drying system. Indicator lights, inlet and outlet hoses with quick connect adapter. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Hava Portable Dishwashers. Small size with large capacity. Holds up to 4 full place settings and fits up to 12 inches dishes. Effective 360 degrees cleaning without blind spots. Reduces water consumption by 75% and saves energy. 2 water supply modes for various needs. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. hmsin A. Upper and lower rotating spray arms provide corner-to-corner coverage. Washing temperature range, 122F 167F. 4 standard place setting capacity can fit a variety of dishes. 5 washing cycle, normal, speed, glass, baby care, fruit. LED touchscreen display is angled to face you. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Farberware Professional. The 6 place setting capacity. 7 washing programs. Speed wash and self-cleaning. The LED digital controls give you a clear picture view of wash controls. An enduring stainless steel heavy-duty interior tub. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. FarberWareFD. Dishwasher size 24-inch. It offers 6 different wash cycles. Air exchange function can be used with any washing program. The rapid cycle lets you get items clean in only 40 minutes. The LED digital controls give you a clear picture view of wash controls. Please check the description for details and best price.